Clean it up, stack, pack, flow, groove while you move, go nice and slow. Clap once, then drop it in the bin. Clean it with style, that's a win-win. It's not just mess, it's memories made. Now we give thanks for the little upgrade. Hum while you fold, groove while you sweep. Even the blocks get a place to sleep. I don't rush, I move with grace. I clean with joy and bless my space. So don't just watch, bust a move. Let's put this room in a tidy groove.